How to delete TikTok account without password. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete TikTok account without password. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step is open up your TikTok. After you open up your TikTok, go to the bottom right corner on your profile. After you're on your profile, tap on the three lines on the top right corner. After you do that, tap on settings and privacy. And right here, you'll see different options. You'll need to head over to your account. Tap on account. And on the bottom, you'll find deactivate or delete account. Tap on it. After you tap on it, then you'll see two options. The one that you want to press on is delete account permanently. After you press on it, you can, type in whatever you want here, why the reason is of your deletion. I'll just skip this from the top right. And after you skip that, I can then tap on continue. By continuing, I've reviewed my request and such, and then tap on continue. Then again, confirmation. And again, after you do that, all you have to do is type in the code that you receive on your email. And after you receive the email, you can simply type the code in here. And after you type in the code, you can then delete your account. Now it's that simple, guys. There isn't much that you need to do. And that's all for today's video as well. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. And bye bye. Take care.